Hi brides-to-be! Today we're going to show you how to pack a wedding dress in a suitcase. Whether you're traveling for a destination wedding or simply need to transport your dress safely, these tips and tricks will help you keep your gown in perfect condition. Before we continue, it's important to remember that anytime you or someone else is handling your dress, make sure hands and wrists are clean, dry, and jewelry-free to avoid staining or damaging your gown. Now let's get started. When preparing to pack your wedding dress, you'll need a carry-on size suitcase with an expandable zipper. The first step is to locate the hanger loop on the underside of the train and loop it around the hanger. As you can see, the hanger loop on this dress is clear, but not all hanger loops look the same. Yours might be white and satin or a loop of thread. If you can't find yours, move on to the next step. After placing your dress in a garment bag, place one hand inside the bag and behind the zipper. Use your other hand to zip the bag up. This method creates a barrier between your dress and the zipper so that your dress doesn't get caught in the zipper. Next, lay your dress down on a clean, dry, and firm surface. Unzip the garment bag and remove the hanger. For now, you can set the hanger aside. With the bag still open, evenly distribute the fabric. Once you're done, zip the bag closed. Before moving on to the next step, have your suitcase nearby and open. Gently push out any excess air. It's now time to fold your dress. Starting at the bottom, fold your dress into thirds. Let's take a look at this from a different angle. Then, slowly roll your dress up. Try to roll your dress up as straight and tight as possible to maximize the space in your suitcase. Grab your suitcase and place your dress inside. If you have an A-line or a ball gown wedding dress, you might have to push a little harder to get the dress inside. Make sure that the gown bag is clear from the suitcase zippers. Then, place any accessories on top of your dress, such as a veil or hanger. Carefully close and zip up the suitcase. Remember to keep the zipper clear of the gown bag. Once you arrive at your destination, you'll want to steam your dress. And there you have it! Your wedding dress is now packed and ready for travel. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more wedding tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful wedding day.